Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a professional logo by using grid. Also I will show you how to add shadow on your logo perfectly. So make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in this tutorial. So let's get started the video. From over the toolbar, take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Now copy the line by hold Alt, and then copy it more by hold Alt and pressing D. Now select the lines, and make it middle align center, and group it. Again select the lines, and copy it, for copy the lines, following the method. Now rotate it 90 degree. Okay, that's good. Select the lines, and duplicate it for our another design. Now we draw an letter over the lines. First take Ellipse tool, and draw a circle within 3 lines. Now copy the circle by following the method. Now make it bigger into 4 lines. I have made a mistake, the first circle should be within 2 lines. Now I modify it like that. Okay, that's good. Now we draw the same circle in below. You need to understand where it will sit. Select the 2 circle by hold Shift, and place here carefully like that. Okay, that's fine. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw the N letter like that. I think everyone can understand the N letter. Go back by hold Ctrl and pressing Z. I did it to make you understand. I will make the design beautiful. Select the smaller circle, and copy it like that. Now make it little bit bigger like that. Do the same for that. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw an letter like that. I think everything is okay. Now move the design above from lines. For move your successfully, first you need to ungroup all part of the design. Select the whole design by hold Shift, and move it above from lines. Okay, that's good. Now turn off the stroke color. Also change the color into a gradient color. Now you can easily understand that design. Now I do more work to make the design beautiful. I want to put one more line in the middle, then the design will look beautiful. Select the design, and change its fill color into stroke color like that. See that? I will work on it. First select it, and copy it by following the method. Now move it middle of the main shape like that. Now select the whole design without the new shape, and make it group. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. Select the extra shape, and upward it little bit like that. Okay, that's good. Now select everything, and give it fill color, and take Shape Builder tool, and just click one part of the shape. Now delete the extra shape. Now add gradient color for understand the design. See that, I have add new line on it very easily. You can do the same for others design. Now I will divide this shape into two equal parts. We can easily do that by taking line segment tool, but I will be equal. So for equal divide, take rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular like that. Then make it half like that. You can also make it half by another method. For that, select the rectangular, and go Object, and select Path, and select Split into Grid. Then make the columns into two. Now delete one part. Now make it bigger vertical like that. Now select everything, and change the color black. And take Shape Builder tool. You can check this by pressing Ctrl Y, that's is it equal or not. Go back pressing Ctrl Y. Okay, that's good. Now delete the extra part. Select everything, and turn off the stroke color. Now we do the same for the another shape. We can also copy it and replace here easily. Copy it, hold Alt. Now rotate it. And place it here equally like that. Now select everything. And add gradient color. Take a rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular equal to the artboard. Change the color into black. And send it back. Also lock the background. Now add the gradient color to the logos. Use the gradient properly like that. Okay, I think that's good. So friends, this is the today's logo design tutorial. I will show you another method to design the same design. I increase speed of the video.